am sleeping very peacefully.
The alarm clock shows an early morning time.
I will open the door quietly. Wake up, Tom. It is time to get ready.
Good morning, Mom. My eyes are opening slowly. I feel sleepy. I will sit up now.
Good morning, Tom.
I am rubbing my eyes. Mom, what are we doing today?
Look at the window, Tom.
The sky is bright and sunny.
Yay! I feel excited. I am getting up now.
Neatly folded clothes are on the bed.
These socks are for my trip. I will fold my clothes carefully.
An open backpack is on the floor.
I will put the clothes inside my bag.
A toothbrush goes into the side pocket.
I want to bring my small book.
A teddy bear sits on a chair.
Teddy, you will come with me. I will put Teddy in my backpack. I am closing the zipper. Let me check my bag again. Everything is ready. I am going out to the kitchen.
The kitchen is warm and sunny. Breakfast is ready on the table.
Good morning. Today is travel day.
Breakfast is hot. Please eat.
Good morning. I am very hungry. Wow, this food looks so good. I will take a big bite.
I will drink my coffee slowly.
Eat slowly, Tom.
Okay, Mom. It tastes good. I am chewing carefully.
Piano slowly fades out.
Tom's backpack rests near the chair.
After breakfast, we load the car. I will carry this suitcase.
I will check the travel bag again.
Are you ready, Tom?
Yes, Dad, I am ready.
I will open the front door. I will take the suitcases outside.
I have my handbag with me.
I will hold my teddy bear. I will check the living room.
Turn off the lights, please.
Okay, Mom. Lights are off.
Please check the window, Tom.
Yes, Dad. The window is closed.
The bathroom door is closed.
All done, Mom.
Good job, Tom. Let's go outside now.
Yes, let's go.
The family car is in the driveway.
I will open the trunk. I will put the suitcases inside.
I will climb into the back seat.
The car door closes firmly. The car drives on a quiet road.
I like the window seat in the car.
Buildings pass by outside. The morning sun shines on the road. A big bridge appears ahead. The car goes up onto the bridge.
Wow, the bridge is so high.
There are many cars on the bridge. Traffic moves very slowly.
Dad, are we late?
No. Tom, we have time.
Don't worry, Tom.
Okay, Mom. I will stay calm.
I will drive carefully.
The car goes faster now. A sign points to the airport. The airport terminal looks very big. The car stops at the drop-off area.
I will take the bags out.
I will hold Tom's hand. Stay close to me, Tom.
Okay, Mom. I am right here.
The airport doors slide open. Inside, the airport is busy. People walk fast with luggage. A big screen shows flight information.
Mom, can you see our flight?
Yes, Tom. Let's look together.
The check-in counters are ahead.
We will wait in this line.
Okay, Dad. I can wait.
Suitcases move on the conveyor belt.
Here are the boarding passes.
Great. Now we go to security.
The security area is near the gates.
Put your bag in the tray, Tom.
Okay, Mom. Here it is. I passed the check.
Good job, Tom.
A shop has many airplane toys.
Mom, the toy planes are cute.
Yes, Tom. But we must watch the time.
The gate sign shows flight details.
We will sit and wait here.
I can see planes outside.
Boarding will start soon.
I am ready, Dad.
Let's walk to the plane now.
Yay! I am so excited.
The airplane door is open.
Wow, the airplane is so big. Yes, I got the window seat.